Okay, so we used this table to solve this problem, and now we're going to go down to this strip diagram and we're going to solve this part. Okay, so it says complete the strip diagram to represent D, the difference. Difference means what? I already know I'm going to do some sort of subtraction here. Okay? I want to know the difference in the total amounts Coach Vega spent on oak bats and maple bats. All right, so let's look at oak. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 oak bats. But I got to go back up to my table. How much did every single oak bat cost? Look at the chart. $86. So what am I going to put in every box? This box 86, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So, in order to find the total, I can either add 86, 86, 86, 86, 86, 86, 86, or what would be an easier way for me to figure out how much money it costs just for oak bats? What should I do?
7 times 86.
Okay, so you're telling me I'm going to do 86 times 7, right? Now, you can use the box if that works for you. And I'm going to do the algorithm because it's just a 2-digit by 1-digit. Remember, we know 7 and 6 because what did we say? 7 and 6 got the flu and didn't get better until 42. So I put a 2, and what do I do with that 4? I've got to regroup it. All right, what's 7 times 8? No. 56. 56 plus 4? 60. So how much money did he spend just alone on the oak bat? 602. I am not finished yet. That was my first step. Okay? Because all that is this equals oak, right? So you, my friend, you're my next friend that's going to help you. Here is maple. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 maple bats. Do you remember? Does that make sense? Okay. What do you think I'm going to put into every box? How much was every single maple bat? 78. So I'm going to go 78, 78, and on we go. Okay, how did I get 78 or how did I get 602? Let me see your multiplication. I don't know why you have 4 boxes though. It's a 2 by 1. Not a 2 by 2. Alright, so we know that there's 7 bats and there's $70 each, or $78 each. So what do I need to do to find out the total maple? What do you think? 78 times 7. So for this one, I am going to do the box. You can choose to do whatever works for you. So I'm going to take 78. So this is my first step over here. This is my second step. I'm going to multiply 78 times what? 7. Well, 7 times 8 is 56. I think we made up for 1 for 7 and 7. 7 and 7 like to rhyme. That's why together they're 49.
Yeah.
Okay. So 7 and 7 is 49, but I have to add a, what? 0. You good so far? Okay. So I'm going to add those up. 490. That's 56. 0 and 6 gives me 6. 9 and 5 give me 14. Regroup the 1. 546. And that equals my maple. So we've got 602 for oak, 546 for maple. Okay, can you notice that the oak is a longer strip diagram because there's More, because how much is oak? 602, and maple is what? 546. So who can tell me on our last step what I need to do to find the difference? What do I do? Subtract. What am I going to subtract? 602 minus 546. I have to do what with the subtract? Thank you. Start to regroup again. Okay. 12 minus 6 equals 9 minus 4 equals 5 minus 5 is
0.
So what's the difference? 50. X equals D. Very good.
1.